This video I will show you how to buy BlockDAG with MetaMask, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. First, head to your wallet homepage and find the button on extension. You can find the buy or sell button on the left of your wallet view, which will redirect you to the MetaMask portfolio. If you are on the MetaMask portfolio already, select the Move Crypto tab and then click on. If you are first time user, you must select your region, which will generally default to your current location. If you have used this feature before, MetaMask skip this step and uses the region you selected last time, which is saved in local storage. From the top down menu, search or scroll until you find the country where your payment method is registered. User will then be able to select this state on the next screen. Select your payment method and note that you can always adjust this afterward. If you change your mind now, select the token you want to buy using the buy field at the top of your screen. Then just input your profit amount. Make sure that the value in the flat of the token you want to buy, or choose your code. After a brief where you will see the code available based on your preference. Once you are done, a transaction successful message will display on your screen, and that's it, you are done.